Hi Jurassic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Gudetama from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this very lazy egg, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of the head. So I'm just going to come right here and just start with a big curve. It goes up and about right there I'll start to bring it down. It's just a basic curve like that for the top, and then I'm going to bring this down and this side as well. And let's keep going. So we're just kind of creating this oval shape, and then about right there I'll bring it in. And let's see here, since we're down here, might as well just keep going now and just finish the bottom. So as I come to the bottom, I'm going to start to draw the legs. So, well, actually, you know what? Let's just bring this together and make it a little bit easier. Just gonna go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. So it's just this big oval shape. Then from there, let's come back up and to draw the face. So say about in this area, in the center, right here, I'm gonna start with the mouth so I know it's nice and centered. About right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Kind of comes down. Then I'll round off the corners. And then connect it at the bottom with a slight curve. And I'll just come in here and thicken it up. For the mouth. And then we're going to come to the sides and draw two ovals that slant down towards kind of like the angle of this mouth. So say about right here, I'll just start and draw an oval that slants down. And I'll just shade this all in. And same thing over here. So about right here. And same thing, and shade it all in. And there, got the slanted eyes for Gudetama. I'll make this one a little bit bigger since my other one got a bit bigger. There, a little bit more even now. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the hands. So I'm going to come about right here in this area. And I'm going to draw the hands. It's just a curve and a curve. Goes out, and same thing on the other side. So about right here, do the same thing. And in. Nice and simple, right? And then for the feet, come about right here. And just going to draw a curve that comes in. So same thing on the other side. About right here. And curves in. There, and that is the egg. I mean the yolk part. Now to draw the whites. So I'm going to come about right here. I'll just drag a point across, approximate same spot on the other side. And I'm going to draw an oval. So come out. Come on right here, bring it in. Same thing here. Out, and then as I come to the bottom, I'm going to come down and just give it a little wobble. Just a little wobble, and then continue to finish my egg whites. There. Try and make it a little bit smoother. Okay, so then you can come in here in this little area right here, just kind of draw a very light line just to give it some detail. And when you're coloring, just give it a little bit darker right here on the edge to give it some volume. Then from there, we're pretty much done with Gudetama here, but let's draw his pet sausage, right? Because that would be extra cute. So if you want to do that, come right here and we're going to draw the leash that he's holding. So I'm just going to come right here with a curve and curve it up and loop it in. So he's holding this leash right here around his hands. Now that we have that in, let's come over here and I'm going to put the pet sausage in this area close to the egg white right here. So I'll say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve, just like Gudetama, but smaller. And then I'll bring it down, straight down. About right there, I'll go ahead and cut it off with a curve. And then I'm going to round it off right here. So this is the leash around. And connect. Then continue this down. And then we're going to flare it out. So same thing over here. Flare it out. So now it's like drawing an octopus, kind of. We're going to come out, curve it. And then I'm going to draw another curve right here. And then we're going to go ahead, curve this one as well. And then we'll go ahead and connect it with a wobble and then connect. There. And then you can add another one right here and tuck it in. And then to draw the face, let's come about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve that's a little bit more angled. Round off the corners and connect at the bottom. Okay, I'll just thicken this a little bit more. And then for the eyes, come right here, shade it in. So it's also slanted, a little bit more tear drop shape than Gudetama. And then let's connect them. So let's come about right here. And I'll just go ahead and connect it. There. And then just so that you can see this a little bit better, I'll just come in here and white this out. And just come back in here. Put a leash a little bit in more. And let's see. Other than that, that is pretty much it for the silly drawing. And I'm just going to come right here and just add a heart on Gudetama right here to make it my super cute lazy egg from Sanrio. I really hope you love this drawing that inspires you to draw it too. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.